Who was the greatest saint? Very ordinary man. Very ordinary husband. Saint Joseph. Joseph was the man who said nothing. You go to the Bible, wala pong spoken word. Not even a word from Saint Joseph. And yet, he was one, if not the greatest saint. And you know also, kokonti ang picture niya. Ang daming picture ni Mama Mary, no? Ang daming picture ni Jesus. Oh, Jesus and Mary together. You know why? Siya ang kumukuha ng picture. See, the greatness of the man was he was silent, hidden, and humble.